Forever makes it simple and intuitive to save, organize, and share photos, videos, audio files, and documents. Let's explore the main tools that help you tell your stories within your Forever account. There are 4 key tools for organizing your content: gallery, albums, tags, and people. The gallery is your central storage space where all files are kept. Using the blue Upload button, you can upload photos, videos, audio files, and PDF documents. Files are automatically organized by date taken or upload date, and the gallery includes powerful search tools to help you quickly find what you need. Albums are perfect for storytelling and grouping related photos. Create albums based on people, places, events, vacations, years, or any themes that matter to you and your family. Tags allow you to quickly group and find photos no matter where they are stored in your account. Think of tags as virtual buckets pulling together similar photos. Use tags for important people, holidays, events, or places that are meaningful to you. Note, files can be included in multiple albums or tags, but only one copy of the file exists in your Forever account, ensuring efficient storage. The People feature allows you to create and organize the people who matter most in your photos. You can create a new person, add details like their full name, a short bio about them, their birthday and death date, if applicable, and easily attach photos the person is in. Bulk Organize is a helpful tool which helps you organize multiple files at once, saving you time. To use this tool, simply select a group of photos, click Organize, and then click Bulk Organize in the action bar at the top. We always have photos to delete, whether they are a quick snap of a price tag when shopping, a blurry photo, or a duplicate photo. Using the circle in the upper left corner of the file, select one or more files, then delete or remove and delete. Once deleted, your files will live in the delete bin for 60 days. Or if you'd like, use the declutter tool to quickly find and remove bursts of moments, rapid snapshots, or near duplicate shots. The declutter tool focuses on time-based grouping that simplifies the process of reviewing and cleaning up images. You have access to this tool within your gallery, albums, tags, or people, giving you full control over what to keep and what to remove. Access your delete bin under the menu in the upper right corner. Another great way to share is with Forever's unique connection sharing. Click on the Connections page and invite your friends and family with the blue button. Once they accept the connection, you can see each other's albums, but only those albums marked public or connections. Forever offers several privacy settings: public, connections, private, and groups. When you create an album, you get to determine whether you want to share it publicly with your connections, keep it private, or share it in a group you create. Private albums will be visible only to you and those you specifically share with. Anyone can see your public albums. Your connections will see your albums designated with connections as their setting. Groups within Forever Connections let you share moments with specific people, exactly who you want to, and to limit access for others. Think about sports teams, church groups, and others you can add as groups. It is very easy to share your photos and videos in Forever. Albums, tags, and individual files can be shared with a share link. Go into an album or tag, or select files individually, including files associated with a person in the People view, and on the action bar at the top, you will see Share. Click here to access and copy the share link. If you have video streaming, the recipient will be able to press play and watch the video you sent. If you do not have video streaming, they can download to watch the shared video. Now that you understand the basics of organizing and sharing your Forever account, it's time to put it into practice. Start organizing your content and share your memories with someone special.